What are we going to do today? Is it a Kiwico unboxing video? I don't know. Let's find out. Ooh, nature collection. Ooh. There's a field kit. Oh, so we can use that to go explore. We can find things of different colors or different shapes.
I can't get some out.
Oh, that's okay. I'll help you. And then you get a really cool bag? Wow. So that one's a magnifying glass. Make things look bigger. And then you also have a little tape measure thing, which is really cute.
I don't know.
What else is in here? Nature Buddy set. And a new book. Oh, then that's part of the game. Neat. What's in here? Not sure what that is. That's probably the other part. The Nature Buddy part. So we make little buddies. That's cool.
Hey, I can take that.
Say thanks, Kiwico.
Thanks. I'm making some eyes.
Yeah, you're putting the googly eyes on. Ooh, look at all the pretty flowers we made. And we'll have to go on a nature walk soon, so we can find stuff to fill up the other thing.
The square is a surprise, and the semicircle is too.